Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 1998 S320. The S320, the S is a big body, S-Class. 320 is an inline 3.2 liter 6-cylinder. And it's a 4-door sedan. Color is smoke silver metallic with cream beige interior. It's a collector quality condition inside and out. Beautiful paint condition all around. There's no dings, there's no scratches, there's certainly no rust on the body. The wheels have been reconditioned. They're OEM wheels. Reconditioned, they look like new, and they have new Bridgestone tires on them. This has folding side mirrors, they're power. Soft closed doors all the way around. Nice feature. And this has double thick glass on all 4 doors, so it makes it very quiet in the cabin. This is original leather. It looks fantastic. Original carpeting. I mean, nothing's been changed on the inside. It just still has a really new look to it. The wood is perfect. That's real wood. Headliner is excellent. Rear headrests. Beautiful two-tone interior. This is power seats with a 3-position memory on both sides. You can actually adjust the bottom of the seat separate. You see it going out. You can make it larger or smaller. And naturally the seat is full power. So lumbar, electric tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Power moonroof. Even though this is a 98, it has rain sensing windshield wipers. We're right by the train tracks, so you might hear a train going by. Yep, there it is. Real nice chrome condition, and that's metal. Here's a look at the huge trunk. CD changer. Underneath is a full-size spare, and I have some photographs of the spare. It's an original tire and wheel. And right here you have a little toolkit. It's in great shape. This is a soft close trunk. So another look at the wheels. They look fantastic. This has side airbags and dual airbags on the dashboard. Dash is in great shape. This had the telephone feature. There's actually the Mercedes original phone there. Kind of a nice vintage touch to it. Here's a look at the wood grain. It's beautiful. It has automatic climate control with left and right temperature controls. That's the original radio. It has heated seats. Dash is excellent. Runs and drives excellent. The last owner had it, I believe, since 2004. We do not get these 140 bodies very often. It's been years since we've had one of these. So to find one in this condition with low miles and great color combination, they are few and far between. Give us a call. I'd love to discuss this beautiful Mercedes with you. Thank you for your time.